Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will try to create this eye. We will make the animation for it, and basically this animation isn't very hard, but the hardest thing is to create this eye with the same gradients as we can see here. So I really like how it looks, and let me know what you think. This project file will be in my Discord server, so you can visit it and download it. Let's try to create the new composition. So guys, we are already in the new composition, and let's create the circle for our eye. By the way, I just copied here the eye from my Illustrator, so it will save the time for us. I just want to show you principles how to make the same, but not in Illustrator, so you can just use After Effects for it. Let's be just white, and let me set the anchor point to the middle. By the way, if you don't have the motion tool plugin, it's absolutely for free, by the way. You can just turn on snapping and we can just move it to the middle, so it sticks by itself and it's very convenient. So I want to make the point here just to understand that it's my middle point. I guess it's somewhere here, yeah. And we can also drag it to the center. It's the same with our main circle. So I know where I have the center, and let's create with my pen tool first shape. I'm pressing Shift, by the way, to make the line perfect. We have something like this, guys, and pressing Ctrl, I'm moving this line. So we have something like this, and I want to turn on the gradient fill. It's the linear one, and we will adjust this gradient right now. Okay guys, we have something like this. Let's name our main color. It will be a mask. So for example, this shape number 3, we just use track matte here and use a mask. So it will be something like this, and I will turn the eye on to see it, so it will be inside our circle. Okay, let's make additional shapes for us, something like this. The same way I'm pressing Ctrl, making this one, and let's adjust one more gradient here. I think probably we can make it darker, and maybe we will make it with this color. Let me know, guys, what you think in comments. I really appreciate you, I really appreciate your support, and thank you so much. I'm reading all your comments, so it really motivates me to do this type of content. I think we can try to make it a bit white, so something like that. And let's change some colors, for example like this. I don't know, maybe we will drag it somewhere here. I don't know, guys, maybe we will not make it in the same way, but it will be pretty good, I'm sure. So let's make the same with our shape, just to make the mask for it. So guys, just try to work in the same way. So it's really not hard, you just need to adjust your gradients to make it good. So I think probably it should be good, and I think we will see each other when I will done it. By the way, you can just copy your layer and transform it horizontal, so you will have already additional part for your eye, so it will save your time. For example, here I will transform it vertical, I guess. But I forgot to make the one more shape. So flip vertical here, and let's rotate it. And guys, if you will try to make this eye, please let me know. So we have Discord, and there you can share with us your works. So I will be really happy. The same, I'm using the track matte here, here and here, and we have something like this. The next step, guys, we can try to pre-compose it, I think. Let's pre-compose all these layers. Let it be like a main eye. Now guys, we will create this, I don't know how to name it, but I think you probably understand me, what I mean. So I will make it. So guys, I will make it in this way. And probably we need to adjust it a little bit. So maybe it's too white, I don't know. So guys, we done this part, and let's make the fill white for it. If you see our anchor point at the middle, So we can just rotate it and it will be cool because it will rotate in this circle and I really like it. Maybe it's not ideal, but I'm sure you will do it much more better. I will just make the opacity to around 50%. It will be okay. We can also make this I don't know guys how to name it, okay. And guys, let's make these shapes as well. So just pressing shift, I'm making the perfect circle one time and one more. And we have done our main eye and it looks cool as for me. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So let it be somewhere here. Okay, we have done our eye and we have the pre-composed main eye. Let's make the copy of it. Just press Ctrl D and make the scale of it less. So, and let's rotate it a bit. And guys, probably try to make the opacity less here. You can just play with it. So for example, here we have, let's see how it was done here. Oh guys, there are a lot of shapes and layers, so it's hard to find it. But I guess it will be pretty good as for me. Let's turn back our rotation and make the main eye for it. So like this, I mean. So it will be something like this. The same in this way. Okay, I think it will be pretty cool. So guys, this shape will be our mask, so we will name it a mask one more time. And all these shapes and pre-composed layers, we just need to track mat it to this mask. So we have this eye in our mask. We can just turn the eye on. Let's create the linear gradient. So let it be something like this, but I want it to be more red. I don't know guys, let me know what you think in the comments. I think it looks pretty cool. So we will make the eye rotation. Let's make the blink for an eye. So we just need to find the mask. Here open it, contents, shape, and here guys we need to find the path. Click on the stopwatch here, so it will be on our start point, and pressing Alt on my keyboard, but need to select the pen tool. So I'm pressing Alt and it has like this, it closing, yeah. So and we can see that it closes in this way. So probably you want it to be how to say, in the same way how it looks here. So we just need to find the curves. So I'm pressing the Alt button on my keyboard. I'm adjusting this in this way. So probably it will be cool. So let me know what you think. I think it looks good. Let's move our keyframes to make it faster, and we will make it in a bit another way. So we will duplicate the keyframe when our eye is open. I just want it to be opened sometime. So let it be about almost 1 second. And here, for example, it will blink. You can adjust it by yourself, guys. So it will look something like this. I think it's pretty well. So now let's make the rotation for our eye. So pressing R on my keyboard, we just need to use this stopwatch for the rotation and make just a little bit rotation of it, and the same here. Let's make it just a little bit, something like this, I don't know. Okay, it looks interesting, but we also can try to rotate our eye here. But guys, let's move our eye from one side to another first of all, and then we will make positioning keyframes and rotation for these shapes as well. Okay, so we just need to find our main eye. So this is the duplicated, but let's connect our main eye and all this shape layer to this duplicated main eye. So now when we will change the position for it, so let's make the first position keyframe here, and let's I don't know, drag it somewhere here. So Also guys, you can use F9 to make the keyframes easy ease. Basically I use it really regularly, so now it looks like this. And when our eye opening, here we duplicate these keyframes, and let's change the position somewhere here, maybe copy it to make it stay in this point, and then we will make the position somewhere here, I don't know. Also copy, and here we also will copy it and paste, and guys somewhere, let's move it somewhere here, and here we will drag it to the middle point. And let's have a look what we have. Probably maybe we will need to make some more adjustments here, I'm not sure, but as for me it looks pretty well. We also will make some changing, so we will also make the rotation for this part. So for example, let's move this shape layer, I'm sorry. So I'm pressing the keyframe for the rotation, and when our eye moving from one side to another, let's make the rotation for it. So it will be something like this. Also make the keyframe easy, and here let's make something like this. So let's see. It looks good. I think it looks like the light, so light reflection or something like that. And I like how it looks. And for example, from this part, when it moves, let it be somewhere here, I don't know. Copy here and just a little bit. Guys, I think it looks really good. I'm asking you one more time to let me know what you think in the comments. And it's not all. We will also make the background for it, and we will make one more additional interesting thing, and it will be in the end. Watch it till the end, as I said. So let's make the background for it. Basically I will make the same as I did for these shapes. Okay guys, now let's create the background for our eye. So I'm making it in the same style we did it for our eye parts, our eye shapes. So let it be something like this. I want to select the pen tool and connect it to the anchor point here. So guys, we can duplicate it, make the rotation for it, and just make it in this way. So I'm just duplicating, pressing R for it, making the rotation, and just adjust my gradients here. The same here. I guess it will looks pretty well. So I just making the darkish red and the lighter red gradients here. So one more time. So guys, we created our background. Let's pre-compose all these shape layers. So let's pre-compose it, copy, just Ctrl C, and let's paste it here. So paste it on the bottom part. And it looks pretty well. So the final step, we just want to make the glow effect for our mask. So you will see how it looks. Basically I use deep glow, but you can use a regular one. So we will make it in two ways. I will duplicate it, this mask, recompose, and on this mask we will drag it to the bottom, and we will apply here our deep glow and another one. So with deep glow it looks like this, and I really like how it looks, and let's try to do the same with the regular one. I guess it will be something like this. And guys, we can also make the glow radius even less and duplicate this glow, pressing Ctrl D. And guys, to fix this pink color, we just need to increase the glow threshold here. So it will be something like this, and I really like how it looks. We can also make the second eye for it, so just pre-compose all of it. I need to decrease the scale for it, and let's create one more part of it. So now it looks something like this. I don't know guys, probably you can make and change a lot of different shapes here to make it even better. So guys, I will also attach the file here, so now you probably see it. The guy made this eye like in a scary way, so it looks really scary, and they are on the background. It looks like they are watching on the main character in his composition. So you can make the same with your own compositions and animations and make a lot of different stuff with it. I just wanted to show your main principles. So if you will make some animations, please join in my Discord community and share with your animations right there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support and help. So thank you so much. See you soon and goodbye.